Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel payment on Splitwise. So the first thing I want you to do is launch up Splitwise and then just open the group you had settled your payment in. So open this one right here. As you can see, there is no expense. So tap here to show the settled expenses. And then you can just tap on the expense or payment you want to cancel. This payment right here, as you can see. Then you just come here at the top, right click on the trash can icon to delete this payment. And if you have not settled everything up, what you can do, since you would not see this option to tap to show, click on activity, find your recent payment. So this one right here, just tap on it. And now you can click on the trash can icon and delete this payment. And if I come back to groups, as you can see, that amount is still there. So we have effectively canceled the payment. And that is how you cancel payment on Splitwise.